Hello you guys, my name is Jose Estrada from the Outdoor Plus. This is Master Meals. Today we're going to be describing features and benefits to the Mojave grill. The first feature I want to go over with you guys is our top. It is a thick, durable, long-lasting cast iron top, perfect for cookouts between yourself, your family, friends, whoever you want to invite. One amazing benefit that our Mojave table offers is this drip channel that leads into the drip trays. One of the good things about this is the big, family-oriented tabletop. We've cooked about 50 burgers at once. Cooking burgers, obviously, you're gonna get a lot of fat render. It's gonna fall into this channel and fall into our drip trays. The next thing I wanna go over with you guys is our finishes. This one you see here is our powder coating finish. It is also available in a stainless steel and Corten Steel finish. The benefit to that is you can match it with any decor your heart desires. The next feature I want to talk to you guys about is this ashtray. After you put your fire out, this is removable, easy to clean up. Just wait for your fire to die down, throw it out in the trash, as simple as that. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about is our leveling feet. If the cooking ground is uneven, you can easily adjust this to the left, to the right, making your Mojave table level. The last and best quality that I want to talk to you guys about a Mojave is that it is 100% made in America. Everything on this outdoor cooking table that you see here was made by us at the Outdoor Plus. No components was brought in from overseas. You're not going to have to wait 6 months to a year to enjoy this table. Once again, this was your Mojave Master from Master Meals. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what recipes you would like to see next.